Hey guys, how are you doing? So we received a challenge.
Yes, we did.
I can't remember the individual's name, but they sent us a challenge. I was playing with his music, but we received a challenge, the burping challenge. I don't know how many of you guys are taking a burp. We decided to take out the time as a family to do the challenge. So I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I am pretty ladylike when it comes to burping and stuff like that. But we decided that it'll be fun for the family. It'll be fun for JTTV. It's something new, and guess what? We're challenging you guys to do it too.
That's right.
So we're going to do the burping challenge today with our family. Everybody kind of put your head in, let them all see who's all involved. JT's playing with his Ryan World toys, and we're going to just. He has a couple of drinks. He doesn't have to drink. He said he doesn't want to drink, so it's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, he feels like he's gonna throw up. But so these are the brands that we have. We have LaCroix. I think that's how you pronounce it, y'all. Okay. If it's wrong, then I'm sorry. We have some Clear Zero. These are brands we got from Walmart. And we have Clear Fiji. So those are the kinds. And so we have a total of 30. We're going to drink as many as we can so we get good burps. So y'all ready?
Yep.
1,
Here you go.
2, 3. Let's drink. Oh my God, this is awesome.
I think we got him situated.
This is not good.
Which one is this?
This is not good. Oh, there we go. Wait.
Which flavor? This is nasty.
This is nasty.
It's like spoiled water.
I can't do it.
Come
I
on,
got another nasty one. Oh, Sanaya's trying to show out with the burping challenge.
No water.
Jeremiah, did you do one yet? No.
I still can't get it. My goodness.
I got some.
Maybe I need a different brand. Oh, there's a little.
I didn't try that one.
That sound like a boy from Revenge of the Night. I forgot his name though.
That one doesn't firm this LaCroix, it doesn't give me a good burp. I'm trying.
Am I wrong for saying excuse me during the burping challenge?
Okay. Those are manners. That's what we teach JT, right? Oh, JT, I hear you. Did you get a little?
He did one.
Yeah, I heard Shania had one too. You got good flavor?
Mm-hmm.
It's that right here.
Oh, okay. I mean,
The apple good.
The fig one.
I got
Good job.
Good job, JT.
Excuse me.
Look at his face.
That one's slick. I'm getting full.
It's little. Oh, you got good ones.
Is it one of these, as you know?
Which one is it?
Yeah.
The good flavor?
Yeah, the apple good. Look, it's too strong.
I'm not doing
Oh,
good
that
at this.
is good right there.
Yeah.
I like that.
A little one. I'm not good at this. I don't know why. I was just burping off that soda. Maybe I took. Oh.
Excuse me.
You know,
You get,
it's serious. I'm just like,
you get full too fast.
oh man.
Okay, I'm on another one.
You guys can refill because we're taking them
strawberry?
down, so we need to refill.
Good flavor ones.
Apple.
I'm struggling. I hope I get a good burp.
Hey, try this one, King.
Ah.
Is that a good flavor one? Huh? Is that a good one? Let me hear you.
Mine
You
are
got a
so
burp
little.
in?
No, why yours not coming out? Hers really not coming out. We done with this bottle.
Cheers.
Let's see.
Salud.
You got the good one. That was
Okay,
wrong.
Sanaya.
Oh. They have good burps. I'm not doing good with this challenge.
I feel terrible. I hope my grandmother don't see
I
this.
feel sick.
You feel sick? That's what you take them. Because we take them down so fast. Oh,
She got one.
Asian name.
Grandma Sheila gonna see this, ain't she? Mama Felicia, Grandma Sheila gonna see it too. Grandma Felicia gonna see it too.
Yeah, her put the bunny in her phone. Her calling.
Wait, I think I need a break, or maybe I need water.
Her her car already.
Oh yeah, she definitely did.
Whew. Man, guys, I'm telling you, my stomach is so full. I feel like I need to burp, but I can't burp.
I feel like I ate
I feel sick.
a 16-ounce steak with some potatoes.
Maya, they will never be a
Well, don't drink
bird.
no more.
This should be called the throw up afterwards challenge.
They can go be
Okay, y'all, I'm trying. This is like cup number 5 for
Okay.
Probably
me.
on 15 or something.
So now you do good at this. Tonight does good just alone. She's like, oh,
Excuse me.
like father, like daughter. Oh, we didn't really get too much out of you, Asian either.
They did like a small one.
She did like a little soft
They're not
sex.
coming out. Why don't you join us a little bit and come in where everybody can see
I
you?
burped,
Goodness.
guys.
You did? Let me hear you, King. Let me hear another one.
Oh.
My stuff wet.
You got to wait a little bit.
Yep.
It's okay.
That's okay.
I got one brewing.
I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying.
I got this.
Oh.
Excuse me, double bubble.
Oh. What's funny is we don't do this around the house. Like, oh.
Excuse me.
This is disrespectful.
Oh my God. This stuff is terrible. Maybe that's why I can't burp, because it's not really like good to me.
Here, drink some more.
Ugh. All right, y'all, we got to work for about 5 good burps.
He just did.
Everybody.
That was a good one, Jeremiah.
Oh, Sanaya, she been beating us. Wait, I feel something. You feel it? I had some Sierra Mist earlier. Help. Wait.
We're not gonna have to eat now.
I had 5 burps in a row. Y'all didn't
Oh my God. Maybe if I get enough air in my belly.
Mama.
Oh, I did it! Did you hear it?
Yeah, that sound like one.
My husband don't like TV.
Sound like one of the homeboys was next to me.
What?
They never eat stuff
Mhm.
like that. That's nasty.
Mhm.
Never.
Okay, I am telling you, that air gets, your belly gets full of that air. Oh, this is number what? I don't even know. And I keep picking a nasty one. Oh, I'm happy it's coming out the front and not the back.
Almost came up.
Man, it will be a real life storm in this in here.
I just hope my grandma won't see that.
Oh my God. Oh, now you.
No.
Wait, I think I feel something else. Oh,
Excuse me, that's so nice. So weird.
it's just not ladylike. It's okay, but we're doing it for the fans.
That's
We're
right.
doing it for our followers and our subscribers
Yeah,
and everybody that likes and comments. We're challenging you guys to do this
that's
too.
right.
I got little ones coming out. I had one big one, which we were talking. You didn't hear it, I bet. Oh.
Like 2 medium size. I'm getting full. Y'all getting full?
I feel so
This should be called the throw up challenge.
This the
Throw up afterwards challenge.
oh, my stomach is so tight.
Mama.
Oh,
Mom, this one. Mama.
that is.
Let's see if Ryan want a little drink.
Let's see if Ryan can do it too.
See what he on down.
No,
All right, Ryan.
drinking.
All right, y'all. All right. Okay, come on. We got a little bit more to go.
Excuse me.
Give me some soup.
We got a little bit more to
Hey,
go.
why you drink all your stuff?
I'm sorry, King. I'll drink yours.
Oh, we're trying to clear all 3 bottles. We got 1.
Okay, hold on.
Let me see. How many bottles? We finished
We
1.
finished one, the apple.
Oh, the goal is to finish?
Yeah, we got to finish everything that was bought. So we finished this one.
I want some soup.
It's all empty.
Okay, King.
I want
Don't get him none of it now.
Okay, give
No,
him
I
the
got
sweet.
him this.
Oh my God, this is serious, y'all. Oh.
Excuse me, how many cups you got?
That's the nasty. Y'all drinking the nasty one?
Yeah, it's part of what we
I'm
bought.
just trying to get it
That's
done
what I
now.
gotta do. Period.
Oh, there's another one.
It's about 23 cups down here, y'all. I'm feeling real full.
Mm.
I ain't lying.
Honey, guess what? At 123, it was 30.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm 7 short. This stuff.
Oh man, I think I'm feeling like I ain't never felt like feeling like you gotta throw up.
All together.
I think I'm getting lightheaded. I'm serious. Like for real. Oh, that was cute. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Jeremiah just playing around the challenge. Go ahead, King. Right in the middle of it.
Like, how do you do that?
Drink. Ooh.
Y'all don't force them out. It's just gonna come.
It just come out, yeah.
Well, mine not coming out like that.
Well, yeah.
Did mine sound like it was forced?
I'm saying my mama's like, she trying to come back.
I'm trying to.
But like, it's gonna come
Mama,
up.
Yeah, it comes because I don't really like burping in front of people. Like,
Yeah, that's how it is.
We're past that.
I know it's a well.
I appreciate the love.
Mhm.
My girl.
Whew. Whew.
I'm finna tap out.
I don't know, y'all. They're doing good. I'm not doing that good. Sanaya's doing fabulous over here. You got some little hidden burps over there. I heard them.
They trying to come out, but they're not allowed.
You could have did this challenge by yourself. You and Sanaya.
I'm tired.
We're starting to get exhausted. Oh my God. I know we need fluids, but
What's
Jesus.
wrong, King?
Why you do that? I don't like you either.
Mm-mm.
Mama, have birds.
No.
Excuse me.
What the?
What the heck?
I'm sorry.
Goodness.
I don't mean to burn my real head.
All right, y'all. We trying. I think this is my last one. We almost done.
It's just about.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4,
I'm finna
5.
get up.
Oh,
6, 7,
5 cups left.
4, 4, 4.
Oh, okay.
4. Nice one. Nice one.
Mine just don't come out good. Come on, y'all. Where the burps at? Honey, I know you got another one. You. That's an,
Over it.
Mine's not coming out.
we're not, I don't know.
This.
Alright, let's try for the
All right,
grand finale,
y'all.
The big man.
This the grand finale.
Wait,
Drum roll.
I want to do it. Wait. I want to do it.
Drum roll. All right, come on, y'all. Cheers on the last one.
Come on, man.
Ooh.
Oh, I ain't got no last.
There you go. There's the
I
one.
got one right there. Get that one.
I have to drop the next.
Cheers. To the
Come on, King. Where yours at? Get in.
Oh,
Final
I
burp.
start drinking it.
Here. Grab it.
Do tuck it down like a G.
Grab it.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
cheers.
Excuse me.
She took it down like a G.
All right, y'all. Whew. I'm feeling lightheaded for
Look
real.
here.
And these are sugar free.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. I think I'm about done.
I'm trying to rub one up. Trying to massage it up. It's not working. Well,
I think that's about
at the
checkmate.
end of this challenge, we got a bunch of cups in front of us, empty cups. I think burping didn't succeed with me, but my family did pretty good.
I heard a couple.
I didn't
of
go
them.
A couple of them.
2 or 3.
I didn't
Not
go.
really. So Naya really
That's more
did
than
good with the
none.
challenge. Well, there it is. There you go. There you have it. And it's still coming. The challenge, we went ahead and we went for it and we got it done. So we are challenging the rest of you guys, our friends, our fellow YouTubers, to go ahead and wait, y'all.
It's still coming out,
She
yeah.
got one.
It's little. It's little. Anyway.
The little ones count too.
They do count, but you can't hear it. That's the thing. You want to hear it. So anyway, we took the challenge, you guys. Thanks so much for watching.
Yeah,
And as
let's subscribe to my video.
Let me see.
Bye.